Welcome back to Ride Reviews, the place where performance meets precision and where we bring you the latest and greatest from the automotive world. If you're into cars that blend style, power, and affordability, you're in for a treat today. The all-new 2025 Honda Civic has officially been unveiled, and it's not just a refresh, it's a revolution. At just around $25,000, this next-general Civic is sending shockwaves through the auto industry. Honda has taken the Civic to a whole new level. It's bigger, bolder, and bursting with tech, performance, and comfort. Starting with the design, the exterior has been completely reimagined. Sharper lines, an aggressive stance, and a wider front grille make this Civic look more like a premium sports sedan than a compact commuter. The LED lighting has been redesigned with a new signature look, and the body sits slightly lower, giving it that road-hugging feel even before you step inside. Step in, and it's clear Honda didn't hold back. The interior is nothing short of sophisticated. A larger touchscreen, now up to 10.2 inches, sits front and center with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A fully digital driver's display makes everything from speed to navigation crystal clear. Materials feel upscale with soft touch surfaces, premium trim finishes, and ambient lighting that sets a modern, relaxed mood. Performance-wise, Honda might have just redefined the segment. The base model features an updated 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that's smoother and more responsive than ever. But it's the upgraded 1.5-liter turbocharged engine that really stuns. It delivers a punchy ride that feels almost illegally fast for a Civic. The handling has been sharpened, the suspension refined, and the steering feels tighter and more connected. It's sporty, it's smooth, and it delivers an engaging drive that puts some sportier rivals to shame. There are also new upgrades across the board. Honda's full suite of safety features, Honda Sensing, now includes an even smarter adaptive cruise control system and lane keeping assist with improved accuracy. Plus, you get blind spot monitoring, traffic jam assist, and even a driver attention monitor. It's all standard. Let's talk colors. The 2025 Civic introduces fresh new options like solar silver metallic, deep crimson pearl, and a striking midnight blue that gives this car a bold presence on the road. The wheels have been redesigned too, ranging from 16 to 18 inches depending on trim, with new alloy finishes that complement the sleek lines. The best part, the value. Starting at just under $25,000, the new Civic gives you performance, style, technology, and safety all wrapped into one irresistible package. Even fully loaded trims stay within a very competitive range, making it one of the best bang for your buck cars on the market right now. From design to features to overall driving experience, the 2025 Honda Civic isn't just a next-gen upgrade, it's a statement. Honda has once again proven why the Civic remains the king of compact performance sedans. Bigger, smarter, smoother, and seriously bold, this is the only Civic you'll want to drive. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Ride Reviews for more in-depth looks at the hottest new cars hitting the streets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.